How to request your data on Discord. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily request all of your data on Discord. First thing first, go ahead and open your application. Just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, at the bottom you'll find notifications and then the U section. Tap on it. And once you tap on the U section, you can tap on the settings icon at the top right. And once landed on the settings page, you're going to have to find something called privacy and security or data and privacy. So just tap on it. And then here you will have this option, request your data. Tap on request all of my data and then tap on request data. So the privacy farmer has begun harvesting your data. It can take up to 30 days, but they will email you when your data is done being collected. And from there, you'll have the download option. You can download it from your email or from your app as well, and you should be good to go. And that's how you request your data from Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.